नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है विजडम इंग्लिश गुरु चैनल पर। तो दोस्तों, आज एक बार फिर हम आपके लिए लेकर के आए हैं एक शॉर्ट कन्वर्सेशन वीडियो जिसमें रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं मिस प्रियंका, मिस पूजा और मिस्टर रणोनित।
Hi Priyanka,
Hello Pooja.
how have you been?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm thinking to meet you if you are not busy.
But where should we meet?
Actually, I have some work at Wisdom Workshop, so can we meet there?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, then see you there. Hi, Pooja. Hello, Pooja. Come on in.
Yeah.
Long time no see.
Yes, it's really been a long time.
And how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm also doing well. And how is everything? And what's keeping you busy these days?
Yeah, I'm overloaded with work nowadays. Anyway, it's your birthday next month, right? So where will you arrange the party?
Oh, I'm glad that you remember it.
Come on, dude. How can I forget your birthday?
I have actually called here the same to invite you.
Oh, I see. Where is the party?
It is at Nainital, and I'm thinking of to calling our old school batchmates too. What do you say?
That's a great idea.
Okay then, get ready for real fun.
Fantastic. It will be a great fun meeting the old friends after so long.
Yeah, it's like a reunion for all of us.
You are right.
And remember, don't make any other plan that day, and don't forget to bring my gift.
Definitely, dude.
Oh, I'm just kidding. Please be on time.
Don't worry, I will be there. Hey, look at there. I think he is Ronit.
Yes, you are right.
What is he doing here?
I don't know.
Wait, let me call him.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Yeah, Pooja, how are you?
I'm fine. What's about you?
Me too, having a great time.
Where are you?
I am at the Wisdom Workshop.
Oh, it means we are right. Look at here, your right side.
Where?
Your right side, dude.
Hey, hi. Oh, hi. How are you? Priyanka, you are also here.
Hello.
I am happy to see you after a long time.
Same here.
By the way, what you guys are doing here together?
Actually, I called here for invitation, and you are also invited.
For what?
Come on, dude. Don't you remember that? Next month her birthday.
Oh, I am so sorry. Where are you arranging the party?
At Nainital, and actually, we were just talking about the same.
Oh, I see. That's why you guys are here together.
Yeah, but don't make any other plan that day.
Of course, why not? Okay, then I have to go now. See you next month. Bye bye, Pooja. Bye bye, Priyanka.
Bye.
Actually, my mama is calling me, so I have to go.
Okay, I have also some work. Bye-bye.
सो आई थिंक सो आपको सेशन पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपको सेशन पसंद आया है सो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू सो मच।